previous class, we have seen so-called the use of VI. The VI is mainly used to create the file. We have seen this extensively. We have seen this with even these are the examples of what we have used. These are the examples of what we have used. And we have created this file name. For those who were absent, I will recommend you to look the previous video so you can be able to understand how this VI editor is being used. All right. So for today's class, we are going to look. We have seen the file commands which we may use in this. During this course. Not only this course, but even after this course, you will use this file command. The file command number one we have seen was ls. ls is used for listing the file. ls is used for listing the file and directories. We have seen this ls. So today we are going to look to so-called cat. Okay, how cat is going to be used. Okay, we shall focus on cat. Is an important command to use. It's a very important command to use. Remember, when we deal with the file command, you want to create a file, we want to rename a file, we want to copy a file, we want to remove a file, we want to join or concatenate the file, we want to split even the file. Okay, so these are the commands, not only this, even this also. ls, cat, copy, move, okay, lp, printing, pr, format, more, wc, word count, file, split, touch. These also we shall use one by one. So today's agenda is going to focus on cat. Okay, we are going to look to the file of cat. All right, so this cat command is being used for creating a file. That's number one to understand. When we use a cat command, we want to create a file by using cat command. The another usage of this command is by displaying the content of a file. Obviously, is a created a file or multiple files. Another usage of this is to concatenate or to join to file or append a content to an existing file or a created file. Okay, so these are the four things which we may use for this one. All right, these are the four things which we will use for our file. Okay, this should be D. Point number D should be append. Okay, we want to append. All right, this should be the appending content there. Right, let's see how this cat command is going to be used for a file creation. As you can see, this cat command also, it can use some options. Okay, if you use a cat preceded by -n, then it's going to line up output with its line. So like that, you can see how all these things works in practical lab. Okay. First, number one, please, as I'm going on, write down this command so that when we go to lab or when we switch to the Unix operating system, then we will be able to dictate or we'll be able to understand how it works. All right. Number one, usage of cat. We are going to use a cat command for creating a file. A file is going to be created by using cat. All right. So this is a syntax. This is a syntax. Syntax is cat. This symbol which you see here, I will explain this maybe for the next class. This is known as redirecting. We call them as a redirection operator. Okay, it's a redirection operator. Redirection operator. These are the redirection operator. I will explain the redirection operator after this cat command. Okay, this is the redirection operator. All right. So it's a cat redirection operator file name. This is what? this is the syntax. It is known as a syntax. Okay, this is a syntax. A syntax. This is a syntax number 1. Cat, the direction operator, file name. This is a symbol. When you see this symbol means what? What this symbol means? Ashish, what this symbol does? This gives a comment. Good. So this one, it gives a comment. Okay, it gives a comment. Right, good. It's going to give us a comment. So the comment says, if the file name exists, then its content are overwritten. Overwritten means what? It's going to be replaced. Example, if the file was containing BCA, okay, and I use cat command, and the content of the file which I'm writing, I write, okay, I say hey, okay, hey. So if the file name was file1, if the file name was file1 with the content BCA, if I use cat, if I do cat, the direction operator, and I say file1, okay, I say file1, what will happen? And I type hey, okay, the content which was there BCA is going to be overwritten, is going to be disappeared, and you're going to have hey. Okay, that's number 1. So let's go together here. This form is used to create a small file. Okay, when we do this as syntax, write this as an example, please. Write this as an example. When we switch there, you will remind me the file name. Okay, you remind me the file name. So we want to create a small file by using the same syntax. After doing that, these are the procedure to start to use this command, which is called a cat command for creating a file. All right, you type cat, okay, you type cat space, this is the direction, and then you put file name, let's say file1. After you do that, you press enter. You press enter from your keyboard. Okay, from your keyboard you press enter. After pressing enter, you put the word, you type the word, you say hey Surya. Okay, you put hey Surya. All right, after you type hey Surya, press again enter. When you press enter, you comes to the next line. After you come to the next line, you press control plus D. This control plus D is going to exit. Is going to exit. Okay, is going to exit and save. Okay, and save. Or we say control D in cat command is going to quit. Okay, we say to quit and save. Okay, quit and save. All right, these are the two. So you see the procedure. First procedure, type command cat, the direction operator, file name. This is the file name which we give. Okay, press enter, type the word hey man, how are you? Hey man, how are you? You can put hey Linux, hey Unix. You can put hey Unix. All right, then after that press enter once again. After press enter, it goes to the next line. After next line, you press Ctrl plus D from your keyboard. You are going to quit and exit. This is creating a file. This is creating a file. Is it clear? If the file, I repeat, if the file name exists, now if you type, the content is going to overwrite. It's going to be overwritten. It means file name will remain the same, but the content is going to be less. Clear? Second, number 2, you want to create a file, but you do not want
to overwrite the content. You mean you want to put or to append on existing content. What do? You do this double redirection, double redirecting operators. Same file name. Today we are 2805. We are going to create this file, and then we create that command. All right. The second way of using cat is to view. Okay, view or display. What to do? We are going to use it for view or display the file content. What do? We do cat. You type cat command without redirection. File name is going to be the file name. The file name. All right, this is the way to do it. Is it clear so far? I just want to see for those who understood. Okay, is it clear? If you have understood, you can do this thumbs up. If you thumbs up, then I will be able to see how many have understood. Alan, yes. Putut, yes. Pretty V, yes. Ashish, yes. Indu, yes. Devasuya, yes. Indu Reddy, where are you? I'm waiting. Yes, Indu. Panther. Serene Rose. Yes, Mona Nandi, good. Okay. Mona Nandi, good. Yes, Mona, good. So, all right. Who else? All right. So, Lavania, I did not see your responses. So let's go to lab and see. If you did not understand through theory, let's go to lab, you will see. Good, Lavania, good. Let's see to lab and we see. Come with me to the lab. Okay, where is my lab? Okay, here it is. Okay, so as it is always usual, okay, for those who are not familiar with this one, let me start with this, okay? I'm going to give you this privilege, okay? Okay, I have something called the virtual box. Let me show you the virtual box. Okay, this is the virtual box. Are you able to see the virtual box? Oracle, look to the top, to the left corner, Oracle VM Virtual Box Manager. So I'm using this Oracle Virtual Box, and inside Oracle Virtual Box, I have installed Unix. I have put two types of Unix operating system. So to say, your machine has to have at least 8 GB RAM so that you can be able to learn your two operating system fast. Okay, your system has to be fast. If it is 4 GB RAM, it's okay, but it will go a bit slow. So mine is 8 GB, or it can be even 16, it will depend. So you install, I will show you installation. So from here is where I start my Unix. This is Unix command which I'm going to use, which is installed in VirtualBox. Okay, you may have a different version of VirtualBox. You may have VMware. There's something called VMware. This one, okay, the VMware. I will type. Okay, you may have like a VMware. I will show you. You may have like a VMware. It's also it is also a virtual machine which are used. In that VMware, you can install your operating system. Okay, whatever operating system you may install in VMware. But the problem of VMware, it's heavy. It's very heavy. It's like 1 GB. Whereas Oracle Virtual Machine is like only 150 MB. Very simple, okay? Very light. It's not heavy. It's not heavy software. All right. So let me come back to this one. Then when I come to my Oracle here, my operating system, I come to the I may come to the application, okay, system tools. I come to the terminal here. Remember the file browser? This is what we have seen for the tree structure of our file. Start from where? Start from this one. Okay, it's not showing. Okay, wait for a second. All right, file, system. Okay, place, computers, and you come to file system, and to show you the file system, this one. This is what we have seen from the previous, okay? So for today's agenda is to look how to use cat command, all right? I repeat again, applications, systems, tool, you come to the terminal, okay? Okay, you click. Sometimes terminal is on a keyboard, on a desktop, is here, on a desktop here. You may find on desktop, and then I double click. Okay, double click. I am here. Now, the first command which I told you, we shall see once again, this first command is known as PWD. What does it mean, PWD? PWD is?
Present working directory.
Present
working directory.
Okay, directory. Or sometimes we call it, or it is present. It's like a present. It's a current working directory. Current working directory. Sometimes it depends by who is giving. Okay, current working directory. All right. So when I type this one, what is going to happen? It shows me that I am at home Cloudera. Means what? Means any file means, it means, I will put here, it means what? It means that any file, okay, which create, okay, it will store where? It will store at home Cloudera. Okay, this will be my location. Okay, please keep in mind this one, it depends by your system. Yours may be home, yours may be, maybe Mona, maybe Indu, maybe Surya. It depends. Okay, it depends. All right, so when I create a file, it will be stored there. There we go. The first command to use, the command to use for creating a file is cat. Okay, how to create a file? Cat. We do cat. What do we follow by? The direction operator. And the file name is file. What's a file? 2805. Okay, file 28. First, before we do this, we have to search, we have to look if the file exists by using ls. ls followed by, let's say ls, let me give like, okay, ls, if I press enter, and then I may look if I have that file name. Okay, we have this line, we have this horizontal, it's not there, here is 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 not there. We don't have that file 2805, it's not there. To clear the command cl, okay, I do cat, okay, redirection file 2805. I press enter. Then here I type, hey BCA. Okay, press enter. Welcome to Unix of programming share programming. Okay, then bye, thank you. Then I say thank you. I say thank you. When you are here, you press enter. After pressing enter, what to do for those who have read, what to do here? How to exit, how to save and exit. How to save and exit. First tell me what to do. Save and exit, what to do? Let me call one name. Mona. Yes, Mona, what to do? Keep in mind, I have said what to do, Mona. What to do, Surya. How to save?
Control D.
Control D. We do control, press control and D. Okay, it is saved. Now let's see if it is the file is saved. You see ls. Okay, press enter. The file name was, this is the file name, file 2805. It's here, file 2805. Okay, file 2805. All right, very good, very good. Or sometimes we do ls. Okay, start file. Okay, if I press enter, no file. Okay, let me check here. Okay, okay, it gives me all the file started by this file. Okay, that's wrong, it's not giving me. Let's see if I put like this, what happened here. Sorry, ls. Okay, let's see, file 2. It's erasing it. Okay, it's not showing anything. Okay, fine. So I show you how also to find this, to retrieve the file easily. ls. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it is okay. Let's see file 2. Okay, good. It shows. Okay, these are the file started by that one. Okay. But what I want is file 2. Let's say ls file 2 style. Okay, file name, the file name, it gives me this one. Okay, 2 style. Okay, so as you see, if you want to search the file content, what do you do? Okay, please write down this one. Okay, to search a particular, or to search a specified file. Okay, to search a specified file in directory. Okay, what do? You do this ls. I put into quotes, you do ls hyphen file name, the keyword, you put the first word, let's say file name. Okay, and it followed by asterisk. Okay, this is asterisk. Okay, and then it gives you, for example, we created the file called file 28. I do ls. Okay, file. Okay, if I put even 2, it will give me all the files started by 2, and I put asterisk here. This one is a file 23 is there. Let me check one more file. Let's take an example like BCA. You see, we have a 3 file BCA. So you cannot come always and type ls and see where is BCA, where is the blah 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 blah. No, you may do this. ls space BC. Okay, yeah, put BCA and put star here, and then it gives me this BCA, even BCA directory. Why BCA capturator did not come? This one, because this is a capturator. Okay, it's a capturator. Let me look one more. I'm going to look for empty. Okay, this, as you see, we have empty data, empty employee. Let's see. I do what I do, ls. Okay, and I say imp, and I put star. So all the files start by imp is going to come. Imp data, imp this, imp that one. Is it clear? So let's see. Then how to read a file. We have created the file called file. We have created the file called ls file. What's file name? 05. 28. Okay, 0528 star. Okay, we have created this file. Okay, how to read, how to view the content? We do cat file name 20. Yes, cat file name 2805. Press enter. Hey BCA, welcome to Unix Share Programming. Thank you. Okay, this is it. All right. Now, how to create? For example, I want to how many commands have we seen so far? Only one command. Okay, yes, I want to create a file. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, I'm going to use the same command, cut the direction file 2805. If I press enter and I say ha ha ha, come on, and if I do this ha ha, come on, so what will happen? And I do press enter, Control D, I comes here and I'm going to read the content, cut file, okay, 28. It has done what? What is this? First we had this one,
Overwritten.
ABC. It has overwritten. Good. It has overwritten. So to overcome this, what do? We do cut redirection. Okay, redirection. File, let's say 2805. Press enter. Ha, I thought they say, don't laugh, don't laugh at me. Okay, press enter, Control D, and let's see, cut file 28. Okay, it has come, right? Ha ha ha, come on, don't laugh at me. It has done what? It has appended. So the next point, the next use of command is to append. This one is used to append to the existing content. Is it clear? It has not erased, but it took the previous content and then it is appending with the new content. Clear? So these are the usage of this cut command. I have a few minutes to go. Let me explain one more. Let me come back to the PPT as we go on. Okay, come back. Is it clear? Is it clear to you all? Simple, very simple. Okay, very simple. Next. Okay, how you can use cut command? This one. Cut command can be used for renaming a file. Okay, you want to rename a file. All right, how do we do this? The syntax. This one is a syntax. Remember to write here syntax. How the syntax is happening? Syntax. Okay, cut file name. This is the existing name. This is existing name. This is the second name. Okay, this is the naming the file. All right, let's do this. We are going to do cut file 2805 is going to be renamed to file 2905. Okay, now this is for appending. We have done. This is done. For appending has done. Now another thing, should be the last. When you want to concatenate, what does it mean, concatenation? Concatenation means?
Combination, combining.
Combining. Okay. If you take, let's say 1 plus 1 is equal to, 1 plus 2 is equal to? I'm asking you, simple, is equal to? 3, right? So we take multiple inputs, let's say multiple input, okay, but we need to form what? To form a single, okay, a single output, a single output, okay, output. So we are going to take two files, and we're going to concatenate. Let's take an example. First file name is going to be, let's say, first file name is going to be, we are going to create a file, create a file name called BCA name, okay, BCA, okay, names, okay, names. This is the file name, BCA underscore name. Another file name is going to be BCA underscore mobile. Okay, the mobile numbers, the mobile number. Okay, mobile number. And we want to have a single file which is called BCA. Okay, BCA. Okay, we want to have BCA. I'm going to call BCA NM, means BCA underscore NM, name and the mobile. Please remind me, the first file name is going to be BCA underscore name. The second file is going to be BCA underscore mobile. And then the combined file is going to be BCA underscore NM. Let's go and see. We want to concatenate. Please write down this one for concatenation. Okay, for concatenation, you're going to create these two files. And for renaming, also write this one. For renaming a file, there is no what? There is no redirection. Okay, there is no redirection operator. There is absence of redirection operator. Okay, redirection operator. This should be new. This should be file new name. Here you can put. Here there will be file new. This should be new. Okay, new name, new file name, new file name. Okay, new file name. There we go. Let's do these two commands, and then I will let you go. I will let you go since the time is gone. Let's do this. Okay, the BCA underscore name. Okay, I'm going to enter the name of those who have joined today. Okay, you remind me. Okay, where it is, we are here. Okay, Control L. Okay, Control L. What do? First we are going to rename the file. Cat, what is our file name? File, okay, 28. Okay, we are going to rename it to file 2905. Press enter. Okay, no such a file. Okay, fine, good. It's gonna be here 28, and here is going to be 29. Okay, press enter. And what happened? No such file to file A. What happened to this? Which file do I have there? Erase file 2805. Oh, it has raised to this name. Okay, it has raised to this name. Oh no, cut file 28. Okay. Okay. Cut file name 28. Okay, fine. I shall check to that one. Let's first create the file. The first file. Let's create the two files, and then that one we shall look at. Cut BCA in capital letter underscore name. It's number one, right? Cut BC underscore name. No, I forget something. What did I forget? I forget the direction operator. Okay, I put Mona, I put Indu, I put Diva, I put Ashish, I put Panta, I put who else? Panta Banu Prakash, I put Allen, I put Putu, I put who else is there? Maybe I may forget some. Okay, maybe I may forget some. Panta Banu Prakash already. Pre-TV, my friend is there. Pre-TV. All right, and so on. Serene, and so on. Maybe. Okay, let me go for this name. All right. What to do? Control D, right? And how to display Mona? How to display the name? How to read the name Mona? First, how to read the name Mona? Dictate me. How to read the file? Mona, first, how to display file? how to view the file. Unmute yourself. Is Mona there? Yes, she's there. Tell me fast, Mona. Mona, are you there? Okay. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. How to display the content. Alan, how to display the content? Alan, how do we display the content? Fast. They're taking time. Surya, how to display the content? Fast.
Cat file name.
Cat, the file name is BCA. Okay.
Underscore name.
Underscore name. Okay. This is it, Mona. Now I'm going to create another file. Cat. Okay. BCA. What is that? Mobile, right? Let's say mobile. Okay, mobile. All right. Cat BCA. Oh, sorry. What is the error? What is the error? I forget to redirect it.
To include the contents.
Yes, I forget to redirect this one. I press enter. The mobile number, it is so on. No, I put whatever, and I put whatever, and I put whatever here. I can give whatever number I do want. Okay. This is the dummy number which I type. This is enough. Okay. At least let it be the same line. Sorry. Let it be the same number. Sorry. Okay, let it be this, no problem. I press enter, Control D, and then cat BCA underscore mobile. Okay, it gives me this. I am going to concatenate these two files. How to do? Cat, what to do? BCA underscore name, BCA underscore mobile, and then it's going to be concatenated to what? It's going to be concatenated to BCA underscore name and mobile nm. Okay, press enter. All right, let me view. Let me check if the file exists. ls BCA. Okay. Star underscore, let me put star and see if it is there. So it is there. As you can see, it gives me all the file name which are BC underscore. We have BC underscore mobile, BC underscore name, BC underscore nm, name and mobile. Okay, how to read it? Cat BCA underscore name. Okay, okay, press enter. It gives me this one. Okay, the whole file name, it has come. Mona, Indu, Deva, Ashish, Panta. The mobile number are here. Okay, so this is all about file creation, file displaying, and file concatenation, and file appending. Clear? So this is all about today's class. If you have any question or doubt, please feel free to ask. If you have a question or doubt, feel free to ask. So if there is no question or doubt, let me thank you for today's class. Thank you for joining today's class.